Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in today's video I'm going to go over another student success story. This particular student was able to get a sale with MaxBounty using Bing Ads traffic on the second day he set up his campaign. So this is pretty awesome because last week I got an email from someone who got their first ClickBank sale. And if you haven't seen that video yet, you can click that I button right above my head here and watch that. And in that video, I made sure to ask the student a question to say like, hey, what are 2 pieces of advice that you would give to a newbie affiliate marketer looking to make their first sale? And that guy had a lot of good information, so definitely check that out. So then I figured once I got this guy's email that I would do the same thing, kind of ask if they have any advice for newbie affiliate marketers looking to make their first sale using Bing Ads traffic. Okay, so let's get into this. So he initially reached out to me on Facebook, and he was telling me how he lost his job due to COVID-19, which is very sad. I've heard of a lot of people that are out of work because of COVID, and that's such a bummer. So he said because he lost his job due to COVID that he was looking for a new business opportunity. And then he goes on to say, this was literally a shot of serotonin in my brain. I've decided to stop smartphone clicks in the middle of the first day because he noticed that the site is not optimized at its best and takes more time to load on that device. So right away, that is a great observation. You always want to be testing out the offer page on mobile devices because a lot of affiliate offers aren't mobile optimized. So you'll be having a drastically lower earnings per click than you would sending them on a tablet or computer. So those are always some things that you want to test, see how the offer page looks on computer versus mobile. Because once you start noticing what converts better, you can block out what you're wasting money on, focus money on the best device. Okay, so then I replied and I was like, hey, could you include one tip for newbies that want to make their first sale? He said that he was going to send everything over in an email. So here is the email on July 13th, 2020. Hello, Cody, good news. I made my first sale on the second day of my campaign. That is awesome that he was able to do it on the second day. That's early, and that's a really good sign that the campaign has a lot of potential. And seeing early results like this is when I get a little light bulb in my head and I say, it's got potential direct linking. Let's set up an email submit page before we send it to the offer and then follow up. So that's always good seeing early sales. And then you can see he was tracking everything properly with ClickMagick, and that is one of the most important things, guys, is to be able to see your tracking set up properly, because then you can see what keyword, query string, ad, network, device, etc. resulted in the sale. So then that was the first half of the email, and then this is the bottom half. And he goes, oops, I zoomed in too much. Okay. He goes, I really don't know how to thank you. I think your Bing Ads advanced training was a really huge value, not only in terms of technical information, but also in terms of business mindset. Thank you for that. I really appreciate hearing stuff like that. My main error as a newbie was not seeing the real value of the keywords collected during the first phases of my campaign. I was only focused on conversions without knowing how to manage properly the keyword insights, ending up frustrated after the day one. And guys, I'm going to just point that out. So if you're a newbie and you're getting frustrated with Bing Ads, you don't really know what you're doing, look at this. This is advice specifically for newbies. My main error as a newbie was not seeing the value of the keywords, because I even ran into this when I first started using Bing Ads, and this was a long time ago. I didn't know how to set up a tracking link and stuff, so I basically just direct link to offers and use the actual affiliate link in the tracking URL area. Although that did work and I did get some sales, I wasn't able to track like the query strings, which is the most important thing. What are people typing in when they end up buying your product? So I'm just gonna do a little star right here. So he's basically saying that tracking the keywords was his biggest mistake, and now he's so glad that he knows how to do it. So after your course, I started thinking more strategically about it, and I've also got good information on how to optimize the keywords. That's great. Optimizing is key. One quick optimization tip for you guys. As soon as you set up your campaign and you're tracking properly, once you find your winning query strings, and that is what was exactly typed into the Bing search bar, once you find a few winners, separate them into a new ad group, add them on phrase and exact match, and then increase the bid. So that's how I separate my winning keywords, and I make sure that I rank really high for them because they're proven to work. And once you have keywords that are proven to work, you want to rank really high for them. So that's an optimization tip. The first thing I would suggest to everyone starting affiliate marketing with Bing Ads is to not be discouraged if the offers don't get sales quickly, and to concentrate on keyword analysis for the first days. So that is a huge one right here. Not to be discouraged if the offers don't get sales quickly. That is such a big tip right there, and that's why I'm always stressing on this channel that you gotta test offers. Because in reality, depending on what affiliate network you're with, there's gonna be a lot of offers out there that don't convert the best. But once you find the ones that have a really good conversion rate, that's where you can find your money-making campaigns. So testing is key, and don't be discouraged if the offers don't get sales quickly. Don't be one of those people that set up one campaign for one offer, and if it goes like 3 days and they don't get a sale, they just totally give up and say that it's not possible to make money online. No, it is definitely possible. You just gotta stay with it and don't get discouraged. So that's great advice right there. And to focus on keyword analysis, really good. I think that if you have selected the right offer to promote with the Bing audience, you can reach for sure your goal if you follow a good keyword strategy. So I totally agree with that. Selected the right offer, and that kind of goes along with what I just said. You got to test to find out the good offers. So that's it for this video. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I hope you guys got some value out of this. Let me know in the comments below. I feel like sharing stories from students that actually went through my training course and ended up getting a sale, and like asking those people tips and tricks, because everyone's going to have their own strategies, you know. Asking them tips to give to my YouTube channel, I feel like that's a good way for you guys to learn from multiple perspectives when setting up affiliate marketing campaigns with Bing Ads. If you guys are interested in getting my advanced Bing Ads training course, the link will be in the description below. My advanced course, I sell it for $297, which is really cheap compared to most affiliate marketing courses out there. And I know times are tough right now, so if you don't have that and you want to save your money, that's totally fine. I do got other options for you. I got a Bing Ads direct linking case study with MaxBounty. That link will be in the description below. And then I just came out with a 10-part affiliate marketing case studies with Bing Ads and ClickBank. So that 10-part playlist will be in the description below. That is 100% free. Those are 3 resources for you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment below, and make sure to like this video if you got any value. Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.